Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to set up your Garmin Venu for step by step so you can start using it right away.
Step 1. Charge the watch. Connect the charging cable and fully charge your watch. Step 2. Power on. Press and hold the side button until the Garmin logo appears. Step 3. Set language and preferences. Choose language, units, and time format on the watch. Step 4. Install Garmin Connect app. Download from App Store, Google Play, then sign in or create an account. Step 5. Pair with phone. Open Garmin Connect. Add device. Select Venu 4. Follow instructions to connect via Bluetooth. Step 6. Customize watch. Set watch face, widgets, notifications, and health goals. Step 7. Sync and update. Sync with Garmin Connect and install any updates. Step 8. Start tracking. Press the activity button to track workouts, steps, heart rate, sleep, etc.